Vlog.
Grabe naman kayo.
Yeah!
Wala na bang ilalak? Masalita sila.
Biggest music show.
Yeah, I know.
Picture sa nakita.
Let's go! Day 1 retreat!
Hey guys, I'm RJ and I'm back in the vlogs.
Wow. show us your name tag.
RJ.
Ayan. RJ. She's RJ, everyone.
Yes. And syempre, the main character of the show.
Yes, sarap.
Oh, you hold this. Okay, taste that.
This is our breakfast. This is our breakfast.
Yes.
Talia.
TikTok natin.
Kaya nga, di mo pa pinost.
Let's eat breakfast. We have auntie.
Okay.
We bought this last night.
Para for today talaga?
No, actually.
Ah.
Pero may natira pa, so I just bought some.
Favorite ko yan.
Here's some chocolate dip. The caramel dips, the first one to go last.
Ay, true. Favorite ko rin yung caramel.
Wait, it might spill.
Naka-wait ka!
I know. I think this is the cream cheese one.
Ah, lagi ko rin
Do
yan
you like
na-order.
cream cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
I-eat. Ready na. TVR. Rolling.
I really hated it. Pero it's a bit stale.
Still yummy.
Okay. Ano yan?
Sarap.
You want?
Say hi, Pat. Si introvert?
Sobrang energetic.
Nakakatawa yung itsura ni Pat. Kitang-kita ka naman.
Since when?
Okay, that's end of the vlog. Transition.
And reminders. General reminders. 1.
Wala ka pa talagang i-ship ako dyan.
Wala na nga eh.
Ay, hindi nga na to.
Maano na naman yung camera mo. Ay, ang vlog mo. Ma-beep out na naman yung sinasabi natin.
Say hello, everyone!
Backward! Backward! Dapat kita tayong lahat.
Wow.
Mababa ba yun?
Ay.
Kayo po ba yung nasa TikTok na nagbebenta ng bahay?
Ay, hindi po ako yun. Baka iba po yun. Kung ganun, wag na lang na mag-video-video. Yung mga ganun niya. Pero actually, ito po talaga yung in-offer kong bahay. Ay, napakamura lang niya.
Magkano so yan?
300,000 pesos. So, for mura. At,
Hi!
hello po. Bibili ko kayo? Nag-video-video kayo eh.
Ako rin. Mika, grabe na talaga.
Kangkong chips.
Pwede na siya pero maalat.
How we start in a way. Kaya may isang Facebook here na parang walang design. And it represents clean slate, which is the title of my mandala. Thank you so much.
Bukod sa maging next Beanie, ay maging makita ko na lang sa TV.
Slay.
So I'm currently waiting for my friend Lois. I believe you see
Ay, sakto. Kita si Lois.
Dapat Jenny.
Kita ka.
Sige, let's go. Rosie and Jenny. Rosie and Ruby unboxing. Aussie finds. Is it chips or burger rings? Flavored naman eh. Yeah. Girl. Okay. Watch me devour. Ooh! Wanna try this? Yung chocolate na mismo, Milo,
May laman siyang Milo sa loob.
sa loob.
Pero iba rin yung lasa ng TikTok. Alam mo, once you try that, you will never go back to normal one.
Feeling ko nga eh. Kasi hindi ko nagpapahin yung powdered Milo.
Kaya nga,
My favorite!
cluster pros.
Actually, sabi ni Auntie, ito akin na lang yung isa since you're gonna receive two naman. Favorite kasi namin talaga.
Really, bakit siya?
Pati yung clusters.
Kahit si Kawin. Sorry, may clusters, may ganyan. Oh, yeah. Of course.
Ooh, this is for Ate Han kay Born.
I think. Ay, may summer Friday sa bahay. Yan.
Again, I don't have to buy a new one.
Wait mo.
Why? I'm in the shade.
Pink sugar ata yan. Pink sugar?
Yeah, pink sugar.
Ano? Okay.
Why? Anong smell?
Hindi ko alam. Yung akin kasi lahat amoy yung birthday cake. Amoy cake. Kaso sobrang bawas ko na pala. Kaya hindi ko siya mabibigay sa'yo.
Oh. Reminds me of one candy. Milk candy. Tingin ng makeup.
Makeup siya.
Wala akong makeup.
Stroke foundation.
Well, either way, pogi naman din.
Wala naman akong makeup.
Makakatapon pa ng water.
Ito yung sa akin.
I'm just gonna take cheekbone, nose. This one is only as the trenches, the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this SPF, and it kind of just, it's like super high quality. This one, the Feather Gel, has been great, really easy to use. And then if I want a little bit more definition, I'll add on the BB Blend. Cute name. This is in medium brown. I'll just go in after the brush. A bit more ashy. Do like a little bit on the brim pocket blush. Honest. And the other one I brought with me is Toasted Teddy. This is, I don't really like wearing mascara in the summer, but it's good to just go. On the final book of the Rachel Cusk, the kind of book recommendations I like on BookBook, I feel like falls into that category, is in 3, which is kind of It's honestly quite like my natural lip color, so it's good. My Brilliant Friend by Elena Ferrante this summer. I know we're into September and it's not really summer vibe.
Mga ngayon. Wala, umiiyak na yung isa.
Guess who this is? You're wrong. It's my mom. And we're back.
Oo nga. Ang dami natin vlogs ng third year.
Totoo.
Bago tayo himatayin sa thesis.
Sabi ko, bakit? Charis. Bakit ka mag-appreciate as a person?
Tama.
Hindi yan pwede ma-hear talaga sa
Talaga tayo.
Nilalagyan ko na ng cute music.